Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss the best gym exercises for sculpting abs. If you're looking to strengthen your core and achieve that defined midsection, you're in the right place. A strong core is not only essential for aesthetics, but also for overall stability and functional movement. Let's dive into some effective exercises that will help you sculpt your abs. First up, we have the classic plank. This exercise is a fantastic way to engage your entire core, including your abs, obliques, and lower back. To perform a plank, start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and glutes. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, focusing on maintaining proper form. You can also try variations like side planks or plank jacks to increase the challenge. Next, let's move on to hanging leg raises. This exercise targets the lower abs and helps build strength in your hip flexors. To perform hanging leg raises, find a pull-up bar and hang with your arms fully extended. Keeping your legs straight, raise them towards your chest while engaging your core. Lower them back down slowly without swinging. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. If this is too challenging, you can start with bent knee raises. Another excellent exercise for sculpting abs is the cable crunch. This exercise allows you to add resistance, which can help build muscle definition. To perform a cable crunch, attach a rope handle to a high pulley on a cable machine. Kneel in front of the machine and grasp the rope with both hands. Pull the rope down towards your knees while crunching your abs, then slowly return to the starting position. Focus on using your core to control the movement. Aim for 12 to 15 repetitions. Now, let's talk about the Russian twist. This exercise is great for targeting the obliques and improving rotational strength. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and lean back slightly. Hold a weight or a medicine ball with both hands and twist your torso to the right, then to the left, tapping the ground beside you. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement. Perform 10 to 15 twists on each side for a complete set. Next, we have the AB wheel rollout. This exercise is fantastic for building core strength and stability. To perform an ab wheel rollout, kneel on the floor and grasp the handles of the ab wheel. Roll the wheel forward while keeping your core tight and your back straight. Go as far as you can without losing form, then roll back to the starting position. This exercise can be challenging, so start with a few repetitions and gradually increase as you build strength. Finally, let's finish with bicycle crunches. This exercise effectively targets both the upper and lower abs while also engaging the obliques. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted in a tabletop position. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions on each side. Incorporating these exercises into your gym routine will help you sculpt your abs and strengthen your core. Remember, consistency is key, and combining these exercises with a balanced diet and cardiovascular activity will yield the best results. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide to the best gym exercises for sculpting abs helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video.